Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to look at the geometric sequence. So this is a sequence of the form. We have this, okay, a comma ar comma ar square comma ar cube dot dot dot. So now let me explain this sequence for us. We have done arithmetic sequence. So this one is geometric sequence, or they call it exponential sequence. Exponential sequence. Understand? So now this is a sequence of the form a comma ar comma ar square comma ar to the power of 3. Now this is a list of numbers, okay, where each term is obtained by multiplying a common number by the previous number. That common number is now called common ratio. Are you getting out? Now let's look at this. We have a. We multiply a by r here to get this one. We multiply r by this to get this one. When you multiply r by this, you see that you're going to have what? Ar cube. So that's how it keeps generating. So whenever you see that particular sequence, so we call it what? We call it a geometric sequence. Now you know that it's continuous. So if you now want to know like 20th term, what do you think you are going to do? So what you are going to do brought us to this formula, n term. Any position you want to know, or you are going, maybe you want to know 100th term, what will be in 100th term, that the position of 100. So we are going to use this formula that we have here. So we call it nth term. So it's represented to be t sub n equals a times r to the power of n minus 1. This is the formula we are going to be using, where a is the first term. We are familiar with that. We have r to be common ratio, then we have n to be position of the term. Now you see this r now is obtained, the r is obtained by either you see t2 over t1, or you say t3 over t2, or you say t4 over t3, and so on like that. Are you getting it now? Or you say tn over tn minus 1. So whatever that is here will be more than the difference. Will just be 1 4 n minus 1. Look at this, 4 and 3, 3 and 2, and 2 and 1. So this is what the formula we are going to use for finding the common ratio. Now, hello everyone, let's solve this question on the board. So question number 1 under geometric sequence. Let's read the question. The question says find the 7th term of an exponential sequence. I told you exponential sequence is same thing as geometric sequence. Okay, so the 7th term of an exponential sequence of the form this. So at times they might not even tell you if it is exponential or arithmetic. So we'll be the one to look at the sequence and try to look at the differences, or look at how the pattern the sequence is, what this pattern the sequence is generated from. Okay, so now looking at this now, so we know that our a, which is the first time, is what? Is 5. But they've already said exponential equation, so we have our r to be either t2 over what? Over t1. And t1 is same thing as what? Same thing as a, which is what? Which is this. So we have t2, that will be 10 over what? Over 5. So we are going to have what? We're going to have 2. So therefore it means that our common ratio is 2. It means that when you multiply 5 by 2, you have 10, 10 times 2, you have 20, 20 times 2, now you have 40, and so on like that. So our r is 2. Now the next thing we are going to do now is that the question asks us to find the 7th term. So the formula, you should recall that we have a tn, which is the formula, equal to a times what? R to the power of n take away 1. So this is the formula. So, and here our n is 7. So we're going to have t what? T7. then equal to, what is our A? A is 5. We have 5 multiplying the R is what? Is 2 to the power of N is 7, take away 1. Are you getting it? So from there, we're going to have T7 is going to be 5 multiplying 2 to the power of what? 2 to the power of 6. 2 raised to power 6 is 64. We have T7 to be equal to 5 multiplied by 64, that is times 64. And 5 times 64, we are going to have what? We're going to have 320. So therefore, our T7 is what? Is 320. So that is at the position, that is 7th position of this sequence. So the number we are going to see there is what? Is 320. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this very interesting, kindly share to your friends so they can learn better. Bye-bye.